Anong latest mga kababayan? Ito, akap na ginamit ni Speaker Romualdez sa pagbibigay ng ayuda. Tinanggal ni Senator Amy Marcos mga kabayan sa 2025 budget. Naku po, bakit mo naman tinanggal, Madam Amy? Ito, pakinggan natin kabayan.
Alam niyo, nakakatuwa yung akap dahil biglang sumulpot yan, wala naman sa NEP, wala naman sa DSWD budget, wala man lang sa wishlist nila, biglang sumulpot nung nakaraang taon at matapos yun, tinatanong ng lahat, ano ba talaga yung programang yan? Ang tupad maliwanag na cash for work, may trabaho. Yung akap, binibigay lang.
Medyo
Ito, pakinggan natin mga kabayan.
yung may ibang mga kaibigan natin sa Senado.
Wait muna kabayan ha. Ayaw, pakinggan natin ha. Itong si Mr. Speaker mga kababayan. Tingnan natin kung ano ba talaga yung akap mga kababayan, di ba?
Gusto daw i-scrap, itanggal yung akap. Payag ba kayo?
You know?
Kayo, tatanggalin ba natin yung akap? O, ano sabihin natin sa mga senador?
Oh, ikaw kabayan, tatanggalin ba yung akap? Payag ka ba kabayan? Tanong po ni Mr. Speaker kabayan.
Tatanggalin ba natin?
How will we be able to effectively and efficiently implement the big AIX pie that the Senate, Congress is giving the DSWD, given the same problem that exists now, that there's a credit limit for the limited number of personnel?
Yes, the effort really is right now, kung maaari, ang ginagawa nila, may cash sharing sila na fina-farm out na sa land bank. At nag-umpisa na ito sa Region 4A at saka sa Region 3 kasi hindi na nga kinakaya ng taga-DSWD dahil labis-labis na nga ang laki ng pondo at napakaraming beneficiary.
I believe this is a similar problem with Tupad as well.
Tupad,
where
yes.
there's also a limitation
Pero
on
ang
the number
tupad
of
ang
personnel.
liit-liit lang kung ihahambing
Compared
sa
to the AIX.
linalabas nila kasi meron silang QRF sa disaster, madali ang pa yun. May AIX, may AKAP, may sangkatutak na programa sa DSWD.
AKAP is a new program, yes.
Yung SOCPEN, napakalaki nun, yung social pension sa ating mga senior citizen.
I'll get to that.
And
That's
ang
actually-
laki-laki na talaga ng
Yes.
programa ng DSWD, pero
Okay.
halos nakapako ang empleyado na permanente sa bilang ng 3,400.
Okay.
With
So-
the permission of the good Senator Legarda, just one question. May I know who distributes the AKAP?
Senator Jinggoy mga kabayan.
Ang DSWD ang siyang nagdi-distribute ng AKAP.
Personally?
Hindi na nabasa ko.
Pareho rin lang ng iba't ibang programa kapag may listahan, susundan nila katulad ng SLP, ng AIX at iba't iba pa.
Who goes to the venue? Because no senators go to the venue.
Ang atin mga social worker at yung mga empleyado ng DSWD na mga paymaster.
Who else?
Maraming sumasama na politiko, nakikita naman po natin.
Okay. Thank you for your answer, Senator Marcos.
Would you like a more specific answer to that? Yeah. Okay.
If you may. If you wish to do so.
AKAP is a new initiative, yes. You mentioned about what are the programs, just so that it's on the record, what are the programs of the DSWD? I am familiar with the AIX, which has AIX for scholarships, for burial assistance, for livelihood assistance, financial assistance during disasters. And we have the Sustainable Livelihood Program. May I clarify, can the AIX be used for partially damaged and totally damaged homes? Because I tried to look at the programs of the DSWD
Yes,
or even
certainly.
the should.
The
It
AICs can be
used.
utilized for disasters. So victims of disasters can also access AICs and use it for food, for medicine, for educational assistance, and also for houses. Although the previous program for partially and totally damaged houses is now under NHA.
I know that even referring to victims of Typhoon Christine, there's really difficulty. Hirap na hirap ang mga nasalanta na walang yero, walang bubong.
Cash assistance ang binibigay.
Oo, hindi nila
Pero
alam sa
ang
lalaki.
tagal-tagal. Ang
Okay,
tagal-tagal
sinabi na
talaga.
nyo, sinagot na nyo yung tanong ko, ano pong ahensya ng gobyerno ang pinaka mabilis na lapitan sa mga nasalanta na walang bubong, nabutas ang bubong, o nawala ng bahay? Sa akin po tinatanong kung
Ganun
NHA
tanong, mga
ba,
kababayan.
Shelter Assistance and DSUD, pero hindi rin, LGSF ba, pero mabagal rin yon, o DSWD. San ho sila
Palagay ko,
hihingi ng pangbili ng yero?
Sa hunot dulo, DSWD pa rin ang pinakamabilis. Sa bagal natin, mas mabilis pa rin. Kasi kung mag-iintay ka dyan sa NHA, hahanapin pa nila ng pera. Pagkatapos kung yung NDRRMC, nagbibiroan kami, tapos na yung emergency, nag-aaral pa lang sila. So, sasagutin ko, DSWD pa rin eh.
Okay. From the time that when Christine happened 2 weeks ago, up to now, to 2 weeks, ganong kabilis po kung ang mga barangay ay nagbigay na po ng listahan ng nasalanta, partially damaged and damaged, what's the fastest time that we are able to provide housing assistance? And what is the maximum amount?
Well, kapag kumpleto at buo yung listahan ng mga opisyal at na-verify ng mga lokal na mga social welfare, sa loob ng 1 linggo na bayaran sa Bicol yung mga nasalanta ng Typhoon Christine at nabigyan ng 10,000 kada isa.
10,000 lagay sa
Sana
kabayan.
ganun. Alam natin, at least in Region 4A
At least sa
and 6.
Kamsur yun.
Okay.
Nagawa kagad.
So, ang 1 linggo ay dapat batayan natin sa ating mga regional offices at provincial offices sa panahon na nabigyan na ng kompletong listahan. So, I'm putting it on record, it should be 7 days from the time that the complete lists are given. If the funds are available, because we have allocated it through amendments in an increased budget, and as long as the information is accurate and complete. So 7 days. Because in my experience, perhaps 1 month, 2 months, and when I call SecRex, he's been very helpful. I know that the reason would be there's a lack of plantilla positions for the credit limit of the SDOs. So, right? So that it goes
Tama
back
po.
to the lack
Talagang kinakapos ng tauhan.
kinakapos ng tauhan. Which brings me to the same question of my first question na, paano natin gagawin? Amend tayo ng amend na lumalaki ang budget, pero yung tauhan na mag-i-implement. So, does this lead to an unobligated...
Dahil nga sa kawalan ng sagot mula sa DBM tungkol sa karagdagang mga regular items, napilitan na nga yung DSWD na mag-farm out nitong cashiering. Para yung cashiering sa land bank na lamang. Para sang-ayon na yung land bank, meron na silang MOA.
Yes.
At sana mapabilis at yung
Mabilis
mga
dapat
tauhan ng
kabayan, diba?
DSWD, hindi naman mapinsala sa daan o mahirapan o matagalan sa pagbabayad.
So, I think that's a good idea to have a MOA with land bank. And so,
Nag-umpisa na sa 4A and Region 3.
I'm sorry?
Nag-umpisa na sa 4A and
so
Region 3.
ang land bank ay
Sila na yung
kasama
payout.
Sila ang mag-payout.
Payout.
Oo.
The land bank payout masters will go to the barangays and the LGUs. Hindi po pupunta ang mga benepisyaryo ng AIC sa mga land bank branches. Right? Sila ang pupunta.
Oo, lalabas sila sa bangko
Yes.
at sila na mismo ang cashiering
Okay.
pagkat nga
Okay.
napaka-konti ng tao ng DSWD.
Okay, I think that's a good innovation of the good secretary, and I hope we see that this will happen in the next few months. We can see that on the next few weeks, lalo magpapasko, na marami yan nangangailangan na naman at saka ang daming bagyo, sunod-sunod.
Tama.
Ang AKAP ay
Tama,
parang
Senator Legarda.
parang SLP ay maaring puntahan. Anong kaibahan naman po ng AKAP sa AIX o pareho lang
Ito
po?
na.
Alam
Hindi
niyo,
ako kabayan.
nakakatuwa yung AKAP dahil biglang sumulpot yan, wala naman sa NEP, wala naman sa DSWD budget, wala man lang sa wishlist nila, biglang
Ito po.
sumulpot nung nakaraang taon at matapos yun, tinatanong ng lahat, ano ba talaga yung programang yan? Biglang Pebrero, katapusan ng Marso, tsaka lang lumabas yung mga guidelines. Kaya ang sabi nila, minimum wage earners and low income earners. Ang tanong ko, pareho ba yan ng AIX? Hindi daw, kasi ito daw minimum wage. At sabi ko, may minimum wage rin na namatayan na tumatanggap ng AIX. Hindi ba pareho yan? Kaya nakakalito po. At sa totoo lang, ang version ng Senado, tinanggal ko na po yan. Dahil ang pakiwari ko, walang programa ang pamahalaan na pag-aari ng sino man. Kinakailangan, lahat sumasapi dyan, at dahil dito, kinakailangan na pag-isahin na, isaayos na natin ang mga guidelines.
Oh, are you
para-
saying there's no ACAP in the Senate version?
Yes, I deleted it entirely.
How much did you delete, Mr. President, Madam Chair?
Yes, 39 billion which was added in the House
Laki pala.
version,
Ang laki pala
and
kabayan.
41 billion added for AIX.
And we're saying that the 39 billion in the Senate version was reduced. And where did you put the 39 billion ACAP? Back to
I
AIX?
leave it to the wisdom of the leadership, and I hope that during the BICAM this can be discussed. My recommendation is, while we recognize the necessity of immediate relief by direct financial assistance, it's imperative that we focus also on social protection initiatives such as those mentioned by yourself, the SLP, Kalahi Seeds, which foster long-term development and self-reliance rather than creating a new ayuda nation. Ayaw natin nun, ano? Kaya eto nga, pinopropose ko na sana dagdagan yung iba na developmental at sa kabila nun, ipagkaisa na ang AIX at AKAP para hindi na nagkakaroon ng selusan, ng turuan, ng kalabuan.
Tama,
I
madam.
will stop at that. But to be fair, my brother's a congressman, and I've heard that he helps or joins in ACAP, and the needs of our constituents, our Kasimanwas, are also served. So thank you to the SWD.
Yes,
I am not familiar with ACAP. I know AIX, but whatever name of the program is, malaking tulong po. Tuwing meron pong darating dyan na DSWD, AIX at Paymaster, nakangiti po ang mga nahihirapan na ating mga kababayan. So,
Tama
I
po
will leave
yun.
it at
Kaya
that. It's not
sang-ayon
for
po
me.
ako
Yeah.
na sana pag-isahin na yung pondo para malaking-malaki, lahat ng hihingi, mabigyan ka agad, wag na natin paghiwalayin, wala nang turuan, wala nang sisihan,
Tama.
wala nang akuhan na amin lang to, wala nang ganun. Basta may pondo dyan, handa para sa nangangailangan. Ganun lang
Tama, madam.
kasimple. Isahin na natin, at sana madali na natin kunin para sa lahat ng target beneficiaries, all persons subsisting below the poverty line, unemployed, formally employed, self-employed, seasonally, periodically employed, those in crisis or emergency situations such as severe, extended illness, disability, death in the family, working in economically hard-hit sectors, victims of natural man-made disaster, calamity, pandemics, war, or other violence. And it shall be used for food, nutritional, medical, funeral services, educational, livelihood, and other financial assistance.
Thank you very
So,
much to the chair for your very comprehensive answer to my question on the programs of DSWD, and I will probably initiate piece of legislation to institutionalize at least one program, the SLP, assuming that no one has filed that yet. But thank you so much, Madam Chair, for all the information that you've given. And
At sana suportahan rin ninyo itong kung ano man yung pangalan niya, kung AX o AKAP o ano man pangalan na bago mahanap natin, sana suportahan
bagong pangalan.
rin ninyo ang pagkakaisa nitong pondo at institutionalize na dahil malaking tulong sa ating mga kababayan.
I will leave it to the better judgment of the chair and the leadership, and I would like to thank Secretary Rex Gatchalian, who is just always half a call away. He answers the calls right away, and if he misses it, he's on a flight, he will text and call you back. That's the epitome of a public servant. So thank you also to all in the SWD, especially the 4A and the 6 and everybody in the regions. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Legarda. Before I recognize the majority leader, only one question, Senator Marcos. What is the difference between AKAP and TUPAD? Because you were saying a while ago, minimum wage.
AKAP po and TUPAD?
Yes.
Ang TUPAD nasa DOLE.
Yes, I know.
Hindi siya
Yung
sakop ng DSWD.
Ang binibigay niyo ba sa AKAP, minimum wage din? Kasi sa DOLE, sa TUPAD, under DOLE, ang binibigay minimum wage. Kung saan ka, kunwari sa Metro Manila, 700 plus, yun din binibigay per day, pero magtatrabaho kayo. What is the difference between AKAP and TUPAD?
Ang TUPAD maliwanag na cash for work. May trabaho. Yung AKAP, binibigay lang.
Magkano po binibigay?
Based sa menu ng pangangailangan. Yung iba't iba, yung burial assistance, medical, hospital, kung
What is
ano-ano.
the maximum amount that you can give an individual?
Ang maximum 10,000. At sinasabi natin na kinakailangan malimitahan sa 6 na buwan. Minsanan lang ang bigay.
One time, big time.
Pero maximum nga 10,000 pesos.
What is the minimum that you can give from the funds of AKAP?
Ang minimum, pangkaraniwan, 2,000, 2,000. Pangkaraniwan, 3,000.
Alright. Pero hindi mo kailangan pagtrabahuan yan, no? Katulad sa...
Ay, walang
TUPAD.
trabaho
Walang
dyan
trabaho.
ang sinasabi sa nangangailangan.
Alright. Thank you very much for enlightening this representation.